Hi, this is Gopika. I'm a landscape designer. Today I'm just going to share 3 tips on how to design a low maintenance garden. The first tip is plant selection. Always keep the plants to minimum selection, 1 or 2, 3 max. The more plants you select, the more care and more water requirement, it becomes a high maintenance. And the second tip is mass plant them. So whatever plant you select, mass plant them. Just keeping 1 or 2 won't look stunning along the curb or in the garden bed. Mass plant them and it'll look appealing. And the third point is try and interplay with colors and foliage and height and some grass variety plants. So the more contrast you play with, and it looks more stunning. And try these and see how you go, and post your comments below if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to help you out. Love where you live. Signing out, Gopika.